In November of 2022, we released the Endurance, the first ever carbon electric skateboard with a double stack battery, which gave it a range of over 50 miles on AT wheels or 80 miles on street wheels. And now it's July of 2024, it's time to iterate. This is the Endurance 2.0.
This is the moment we waited for. Everything you want is right here. We gon' give them what they came for. We gon' take it up from last year. Shoot on my shot, boy, I'm long range. Me and the team on the same thing. Stayed down, never switched up. Only thing changed was the game. I'm in the zone now. Nothing can change what we on now. When I pull up, know it's going down.
The Endurance 2.0 has everything we've come to love about the 1.0, but a little bit more refined and a lot more thought out. The core of the Endurance 2.0 is very similar to the 1.0. This time around, we've gone with a camo style carbon deck, which as far as I can tell, has never been done before, and it looks absolutely stunning in person. For the trucks, we're taking a few notes from the Interstellar 2.0. We're using our in-house CNC'd 15-inch wide Nexus trucks, featuring upgraded riptide bushings and pivot cups. For the remote, you guys will recognize the VX4 with live telemetry. It's been a rock solid remote for us, so we're sticking with it. And of course, we're sticking with a high amperage VESC-based ESC. And here's where things get interesting. We are now splitting off into two versions of this board. We've got the 2.0 and the 2.0 Plus. The Endurance 2.0 features a 12S8P 1450 watt-hour battery pack made with Molicel P42A cells. The 2.0 also features our tried and true 6368 190 kV motors. You can expect a top speed of over 35 miles per hour. And as far as range goes, well, range ratings are a little silly because we all ride different, we all use different wheels, we all weigh different amounts. So I can personally get over 50 miles on a set of AT wheels or over 80 miles on a set of street wheels. Your mileage may vary, depends how fast you ride, how hard you ride, a lot of different factors. The 2.0 Plus comes with a 14S8P 1690 watt-hour battery pack, which is just insane, which is good for about 15% more than the 12S8P version. As far as motors go, for the 2.0 Plus, we went with the 6485 173 kV radium motors. These motors are super torquey, handle heat very well, and I honestly can't even launch this board from a standstill. The torque is just way too much for me, but I know some of y'all will really love it. And just like before, we are committed to making sure there is zero proprietary connectors within this board. That means if you need to replace your battery or upgrade your ESC or do anything with the motors or electronics, you do not have to come to us. All the electronics and all of the connectors inside are very non-proprietary items, so you can replace them without having to go through us if you don't want to. Or maybe in a couple years, if we're not around for some reason, you have options to go find other motors, to go find other batteries, and you have the freedom to fix, replace, and upgrade all your stuff on your own without needing us, which is absolutely the number one priority for us, is to make sure that these boards will last a really, really long time and not rely on us for very specific connectors or ESCs or anything like that. You're not locked into any sort of ecosystem. At the end of the day, the Endurance 2.0 has the most in-house made components yet. Here at MBoards, we've invested a ton of money in bringing manufacturing in-house with a fully functioning internal machine shop. Every single battery pack is manufactured right here in the same building by our battery team. This gives us the maximum control possible and the best quality assurance. Everything meets here at final assembly, which again is done here in-house. That means we're able to inspect everything along the way and make sure everything is built to our standards. Selling a board is one thing, but supporting the boards after the fact is another. We've invested a lot of time and energy in making sure that our customer service experience is really good. So if you have a problem, or if you have a question or concern, or you just need help ordering, we got you. Email our support team. We get back to everybody's emails very quickly. You can hit us up on Instagram, or even if you're in Vegas, you can come to our shop and we'd be happy to take a look at your board or walk you through any customization steps. If you have any questions about the 2.0 or 2.0 Plus, don't hesitate to drop a comment down below. We're very active in the comment section. We're very active on Instagram and our support email. I'll also leave links to both spec sheets in the description below. So again, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you later.